Hi, this is Dan from Carbon Method, and today we're going to talk about a product that we've been working on that will revolutionize the way our coatings are applied. This is the Blue Applicator that you've seen and used before. The one that we've been shipping for the last year, and in that year we've sent out over 50,000 of these to you. And seeing that this is a one-time use item, that's a lot of waste, and we wanted to do better. So we set out to design an innovative, affordable, and reusable applicator system. This is our new Coating Applicator Block, or CAP for short. We started with material choice and the base to our CAP system. This is a cross-linked closed-cell foam that will not absorb our coatings. It's perfectly sized to fit in your hand. It's designed to drop right into the miter slots on your tools, and it has a built-in leveling edge. The result is unparalleled protection for your cast iron tools and stunning results when using our nano finish to coat the projects you make with those tools. The next step was to figure out a loading and delivery material that would absorb our coatings and then apply them more effectively than the current pads. This is our new disposable coating cloth. It's made from a polyamide blended fiber, and it holds our coatings remarkably well. And with a little bit of pressure, it releases those coatings exactly where you want them. It moves extremely well across the surface, and it's disposable. And so now, instead of throwing away an entire pad, you just throw away this simple cloth. It also takes a lot less of the coating to saturate this cloth, and so the coatings go further than ever before. And finally, an innovative way to capture the coating cloth on the cab with our capture dowel. Let's put one together. Putting the system together really is quite simple. We're going to lay out the coating cloth flat. We're going to take the coating applicator block. We're going to set that in the middle. Then we're going to grab one edge of the coating cloth and we're going to wrap it around the block, and we're going to push the excess into that channel. Next, we're going to grab the other side and repeat the process, pushing that excess down into that channel. And finally, we're going to lock it in place with a capturing dowel. It's that simple. Next, we're going to take our coating and you would apply it to the surface, just like that. You'd lay out your box in crosshatch and let it set up. When it comes time to level, we're going to take this leveling edge, we're going to flip the block on a 45-degree angle, and we're just going to level that surface. It's really that simple. You treat it just like the old applicator block, only when you're done, you uncapture the towel, unfold the coating cloth, and dispose of the coating cloth. Our new Coating Applicator Block system is both economically and ecologically superior to the outgoing version, designed with a focus on sustainability without compromising on effectiveness. We're proud to offer a product that not only meets your needs but reduces waste. Our Carbon Coat and Nano Finish Quick Kits will now come with this CAB system, so head on over to carbonmethod.com and check it out. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Dan, and we'll talk soon.